Our Ayurveda training on external Basti treatments is designed for you to leave the training and feel confident to apply this on whether it's your patient or your client. It's intensive days where you'll learn 7 Bastis, you'll learn 3 on the back, neck and spine, you'll learn the lung Basti, you'll learn the liver Basti, you'll learn the chakra Basti or the navel Basti, the energy center, immune center, as well as the bladder and reproductive Basti. And it's repetitive, it's intensive to really learn. You're giving and receiving treatments throughout the days. And that way you really embody it. I want you to leave the training, be able to do it with precision and with the client walks away like, wow, that's an exceptional treatment. And we learn different programs with different medicated oils. We learn how to do Abhyanga massage before the Basti to open up that area to increase the receptivity to then receive the Basti after the massage. So this is what we learn in the intensive training. If you join us, it's a process of giving and receiving. You'll receive so much and it's a healing experience, as well as including this in your repertoire as a healer. It's for those brand new to body therapy, as well as those experienced with various modalities, and it's of course especially beneficial for Ayurvedic practitioners to utilize this therapy on your clients.